Topic: How to improve your English. Learning English is a journey that becomes easier when you understand that language grows with exposure, patience, and regular practice. Many people think English is difficult, but the truth is, English becomes simple when you allow it to be part of your everyday life. You don't need to memorize everything or learn hundreds of rules. You only need to surround yourself with English a little every day. Start by listening. Listen to English videos, stories, or conversations, even if you don't understand every word. Your brain slowly begins to recognize patterns, sound, and meanings without effort. Just like a child learns a mother tongue through listening, you also learn naturally when English becomes a sound you hear daily. Once you become comfortable with listening, speaking becomes much easier. Don't wait for perfect grammar or perfect sentences. Even native speakers don't speak perfectly all the time. Start talking with yourself. Describe what you see, what you feel, and what you are doing. This simple habit builds fluency because it trains your tongue and your mind to work together. If you want to improve even faster, try the shadowing method. Listen to a short sentence and repeat it exactly. This helps you learn pronunciations, tone, and rhythm without needing any special class. Speaking is not about perfection, it's about practice and confidence. Reading and writing complete the learning circle. When you read small stories, articles, or even social media posts, you learn how sentences are formed and how ideas are expressed. You naturally absorb vocabulary without memorizing. Writing, even a few lines a day, helps you express your thoughts clearly and improves your grammar step by step. Most importantly, remember that mistakes are your teachers. Every mistake shows that you are learning something new. If you practice a little every day, listen a bit, speak a bit, read a bit, your English will grow faster than you expect. Learning English is not a race, it is a slow, beautiful journey. Stay consistent, stay patient, and one day you will speak with confidence and pride.